Hey boys and girls, today we're going to make our art journals. Well, we've been working on them. Today we're going to turn them into a binder form like this, where you combine your front and your back covers with a spine. If you still need to complete these, then we will cover them with paper a different day. If you have any spots that still need tape down, maybe you didn't get it completely glued last time and you just need to fold it over a little bit more, or you had some spots that peeled up or didn't stay flat. You want them to stay flat, so tape it down if you need to. You may or may not have a name tag depending on which class, or if your name tag was a different size and shape. So however yours are covered, you're going to take your front cover, whatever you want your front cover to be, and your back cover, and lay them side by side with your spine in the middle. And you can come get a spine that's pre-cut in this container from the supply table. You're going to leave a little gap so you have some room for your art journal to bend, and you're going to select some tape. If you want to use the colorful tape, but someone else is using your color, you can always use the regular, and then when you do your second layer, you can use the colorful tape. So we're going to wrap it around, and this one's wrapping almost twice, but then you can always go over it with another layer of colorful tape once your color becomes available that you want. So your spine is attached on that side. Now you need to attach the back cover. So do the exact same thing. Make sure that you have this turned the right way, so when it closes, your art or your journal, like the cover that you want, is on top there. So I'm going to open that up like a book and put that there. Use the masking tape, leave a little gap, hover above, press down, flip, wrap around. You want to make sure that this is measured upright. You don't want to accidentally have like it turned this way where your cover is taller than your spine. You want to make sure you've got it this way. Oh, and Mrs. Gladio's messed it up now. Here we go. Back there, leave your gap, piece there, wrap around. And the masking tape is not super sticky, so if you do need to like peel it off to fix something, you can do that. That has one wrap around, and then to do a second wrap around, get a different color or the same color if you have the color you want, and do that. Now if you want to cover your spine too because you don't like the look of the cardboard or your cereal box, then you can just wrap the whole middle with the tape. But please don't cover everything else with the tape because I do need to save it for the other classes. At this point it should look something like this. And then we'll be filling it with paper.